To upload receiver metadata, we first go to import data. And the first thing to consider is that the database only accepts comma-separated files. For this, we can check it in control panel in our computer and clock and region. And in additional settings, we can check the list separator. It must be set to comma. Then we apply and accept the changes. We can obtain a sample CSV file with all the fields we have to fill in. We can download this sample file, and with this file we make sure that the format is the right one. Here we can see all the different fields that we need to fill in. Only some of them are mandatory. For this we can check it in Open Receivable File Description. The ones with a check mark are mandatory and the rest are optional. And here we also have an explanation of the data we have to fill in. The owner group must match exactly the name set in the database of the project, and the built-in tag, in case we have a built-in tag, we have to also fill it in and insert also the tag in that as a tag metadata. Then we can check also the codification of this file with for example the Notepad application. With this we can go to codification and we make sure that it's UTF-8 encoded. Then we save the changes. Then if we want to import a file, we click on import receivers. Then now we'll see a file I already prepared. And here I filled in the mandatory fields, which is the serial number, the model number, the owner group, the manufacturer, and status. This is an example. Then we'll proceed to upload this file. We select the file and we start the import. Here either a green message or a red message will appear. In case it was successfully uploaded, it will be a green message like this one. Otherwise, we'll receive a red message with the error we are committing to be able to change it. Here in the receivers tab, we can search our data. We can apply these filters. In this case, we are filtering the word test, and we can see two of the receivers we uploaded. For example, in this case, if we look for this receiver, we copy the test and we introduce it in the filter. We can apply different filters for each field, and we can also change the fields we are able to see, so we can apply filters more efficiently. By clicking here, different filters will appear or hide. We can also edit these tags. For example, if we click on one tag and select edit, all the information regarding this receiver can be changed. The fields highlighted in yellow are the mandatory fields and the rest are optional. Once we change the information, we can press on edit. In this case, we are going back. We have also the possibilities of creating a new tag manually, duplicating a tag, or deleting this tag. We also have the chance to download the data we have in the screen. So the data that complies with the filter information we entered. And in this case, we'll receive a CSV file with the different receivers. And in this case, each row corresponds to one receiver.